Hi, I'm Stanley from Infuse AI. I'm excited to introduce our company and PrimeHub MLOps platform to you. We're a startup software company in Taiwan, and our clients include some of the top Taiwanese companies in finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. We have helped our clients to manage hundreds of projects and computing resources for better AI development workflow with the PrimeHub MLOps platform, and we are looking forward to expand our service globally to more users. MLOps is a process managing the development and deployment of AI models. During the process, developers go through iterations of experiment with versions of data and codes to build a model. And the details in each step of the process need to be tracked for different teams to collaborate in the same context, from building the model to deploying the model. From IT's perspective, the infrastructure supporting MLOps will need to consider how to integrate the technologies that are used, so that moving from one step to the next in the MLOps process can be smooth. Building such a system is challenging because of its multidisciplinary nature. Users could refer to reference architectures from cloud providers, but to make it fit to an organization's needs will require expert knowledge in multiple areas, not just data science. Building a team that can create an MLOps system and maintaining it is a huge effort and costly for an organization if building from the ground up. In addition to the challenge of building and maintaining the MLOps system, there is also the challenge of scaling. As the organization expands AI adoption, more models will be deployed, and so as the computing resources that need to be managed. PrimeHub is the platform that we have developed to address these challenges, and we welcome you to check out our community edition at the GitHub repository shown here. In short, PrimeHub helps to manage the sharing of computing resources for developers to create and deploy AI models in isolated environments and provide a collaborative workflow that can be enhanced individually for teams to meet the requirements of different AI projects. With PrimeHub, developers can easily switch context between projects to access the permitted resources. PrimeHub can also connect to multiple data sources and be deployed onto any Kubernetes environment on cloud or on-premise. It uses container technology to enable users to work fast with pre-built environments for model deployment, training, and development. Individual workflow enhancement is possible with apps integration to allow teams to use the best tools for the job. Because technology is ever-changing and evolving, we think it's very important that users have the flexibility to easily adopt the tools of their choice into the workflow. In many cases, data scientists and IT staffs are the main teams involved in building the MLOps workflow. PrimeHub helps them to overcome the challenges of building a workflow by lowering the technical barriers and answering to the common needs from these teams. Mainly, to enable data scientists to easily work with multiple projects on complex computing infrastructure without the need to manage it themselves, and the IT operators can easily maintain the system, provide isolated environments, and manage the resource quotas for teams with simple web-based UI. PrimeHub helps organizations to move faster in AI adoption with the capability to carry out multiple AI projects at the same time. This is because the teams can co-work more efficiently on shared computing resources with a standardized way to manage the workflow. Here are our key benefits. With PrimeHub, all of our clients in different industries saw their productivity went up as more projects can go in parallel. Model release cycles become shorter as the lead time to roll out AI models is reduced from days to hours. And lastly, the MLOps workflow created with PrimeHub can evolve over time with the organization by providing an easier way to integrate new technologies with PrimeHub apps. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. We look forward to help organizations to speed up their success in AI adoption, so please contact us for business and partnership opportunities today.